Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my vegan focaccia recipe. So first of all, you just want to collect all your ingredients together. The full list of ingredients will be in the description below or in my blog post. Then add your dry ingredients together in one bowl. So here I'm just adding the flour. Then just season with some sea salt. And add in the yeast. Then in a separate bowl, mix together the wet ingredients, so add the water and also some good quality olive oil. Combine the wet and the dry ingredients together in a bowl and just mix together with a spoon. Once it's started to combine, get your hands involved and start bringing it together to form a dough. Then lightly flour your work surface and tip the dough mixture out onto it. Use your hands to start to knead the dough, combining all the ingredients together. You'll need to knead the dough for about 5 to 10 minutes, just making sure everything is combined. And once you've kneaded it for this time, you'll see this texture change to be a lot smoother. Once you've got the dough to a place that you're happy with, lightly drizzle some oil into a bowl and put the dough into this bowl, covering with a damp tea towel, and leave it to rise in a warm place for about an hour. Once you've left it, it will triple in size to look a little something like this. And then just lightly flouring the work surface again, tip the risen dough out onto it and lightly knead for another couple of minutes just to knock back some of the air. Once you've done this, you can put the dough into your baking tray, just shaping with your hands into the loaf that you'd like. Cover with a damp tea towel again and just leave to rise for another 5 or 10 minutes. I then went into the garden to pick some fresh rosemary, and I'm also going to season this with some olives as well, so just cut the olives in half. And remove the sprigs of rosemary from the stalk. Once you've got your ingredients ready, just use your fingers to make some dimples in the top of the loaf, and then press the olives and the rosemary into these dimples. And the further you push them down, the more flavour will go into the loaf while it's cooking. So here you can see I've just pushed the olives and the rosemary down into the bread. And then put in the oven at 180 for about 30-35 minutes, or until the top of it is brown. Then remove from the tray and put on a cooling rack, just to cool down slightly. When you cut into it, it should have some air pockets and have quite a light texture inside. I like to serve my bread still slightly warm with some soup, or you can let it cool down and use for sandwiches. So there we go guys, I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Make sure you check out the blog post for the full list of ingredients and the method. And if you do decide to make this, make sure you take a picture and tag me on Instagram or Twitter. I'll leave my tags on the screen now. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye!